No more cooking and preparing food this way. Today we are excited to share the grand finale of our latest project, our kitchen renovation. Welcome to Renovation Diaries. Today we are excited to take you along the way on this journey from our outdated kitchen with no character to a stunning contemporary masterpiece. We will show you every detail of this transformation, from the old worn out features to the sleek modern design elements that have brought new life to this space. And the most important part of this renovation is that we are going to start building new memories in this kitchen.
Uri designs, unique expressions.
I always like to start with a mood board. This helps to put together the design concept of the room. By doing this, I can always see how the floors and the wall colors with the cabinets are going to go together. I move then to the features and then appliances. It's always good to make sketches. This helps to space plan and be able to see that all the cabinets fit in the space that I have. This space used to be the formal dining room. We don't need a formal dining room. So we decided to open up the space, install new flooring. Went to pick up the new farm-style sink with a faucet and our new cooktop and oven. And days after, all the lighting, cabinets, sink, and some of the appliances were installed. And this is the system we're gonna be using. It's a soft closing system for all the cabinets, doors, and drawers. I went to a couple of places to find the right countertop. I took samples of the floor colors and cabinet. After we placed the order, they came to measure, and now it's time for the installation. We decided to go with white quartz for the countertops and backsplash. The following day, they were able to install the hood, the cooktop, and the faucets. Now it's time to install the hardware. I love this tool. I bought it at Amazon. It gives you all the instructions on how to accurately install your hardware in both your drawers and your doors. Now it's time to finish assembling the stools. This was an easy process. I just followed the instructions. It was not hard at all. We decided to go with a very durable toe kit with a silver finish. Every detail was carefully chosen to enhance both form and function. From the ergonomic layouts and the luxurious finishes, everything was thought through very carefully. We incorporated the industrial design look, selecting this black range hood, farm-style sink and faucet, and this lighting. So stay tuned for more videos like this because we are planning to renovate more rooms in our house. Until next time, goodbye.